Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. Oops, something just dropped. I have a, what is it? Trullypine, and it is a, should be a laptop cooling pad. So we're gonna check this thing out. Let's open it up. So it is, yeah, it's Trullypine. So that's a U, okay. And ta-da, this is what it looks like here. And everything here. So let's say it comes with it looks like USB to USB. So that'll be for getting it power. And then this is what it looks like here. Look at all those fans in there. This thing here is gonna keep any notebook computer nice and cool. And then what do we got here? We have a little stand. So we could stand up our computer on that. So we can do like this. So you can put it at an angle there or there. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So here is the laptop. Got a little flip out thing here. It looks like, let me put this down here so I can do it. How does it work? Oh, it's got these little nubs come out here, and then the laptop goes on it right there. And then we just plug in the laptop into here. Let's see, where's the ports in the back, I guess, for it. And then it's got different little controls, volume controls, I guess, for the different fans, and a button. So let's give this thing a try, see what happens. So I'm gonna unplug this printer here and plug this in instead. How's that sound? Okay. Okay, so that is plugged in there, and then this will plug in there, like that. And then here, I actually feel something going on here. So right now, it is going, and it looks like they're all going at the moment. Oh yeah, and then when I turn it off, it looks like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one are on one fan, and then some of the other ones are on another fan. So that's how it goes there. And you probably can't even hear it. I can barely hear it. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn them all on high. And it's pretty quiet. So then if I'm using my laptop, it's pretty great, because then it'll keep everything nice and cool. And it looks like it's got some lights on there too. Maybe that's what some of those switches are for. Let's see. I guess that's the button on the back. The button on the back does the lighting, so that's what you get. So there you go. Pretty cool. I can just keep the light on like that and keep the notebook there. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.